We got Benjamin, Noni for you. Final unbox. I like this a lot for him. So yeah, front spine's black. Yep, it's black, and it's the back. Side A and side B. I don't watch one of my first song because I do like all these songs. So probably never be if we have a channel one of fun. I do like that. Yeah. One of my newer CDs that I kind of just picked up because I've been liking this album a lot more recently is Savage Mode 2, 21. He just keeps getting better and better, you know what I'm saying? I know I just said he dropped the new off the break, but Metro's production was amazing. It's super cool to hear like those kind of like Halloween sounds, Morgan Freeman narrating the album. It's very well produced. It's very dark as well. Yeah. Boom. And here's a picture of him. So yeah. And this is the back like a checklist or something, I don't know, but yeah. Yep, there's a paper. It's just black. Side A. Side B, so yeah. That's it, so yeah. Pretty sure final unboxing. So yeah.